So given that A is a complement of C, means that these two help each other add up to 90. The measure of A is 47. Find the measure of C. How do we find that? Correct. So let's set it up like this. Measure angle A plus the measure angle C must equal 90 degrees. How do I know this part? Because it's complement. I know these two angles must add up to, their measures must add up to 90. I know what the measure of A is, so I can replace the measure of A with 47. Now I can solve for the measure of C. So the measure angle C is 43 degrees. Okay, find the values of X and Y. Oh snap. These angles are vertical, correct? If I set these equal to each other, I don't have a way of solving for Y or X. I need to solve for X first. How do I solve for X first? Correct. Now what postulate are we using to solve that? Correct. Supplementary angles. Let's write that first. Sup. We're solving the supplementary angles first. These two angles have to add up to 180. So 9x plus 20 plus 7x. These two angles must add up to 180. Alright, 9x plus 7x, 16x plus 20 equals 180. Combined like terms right there. What's the next step? Why do we subtract it on both sides? Property of equality. Get 160. Divide by 6. Oh, sorry, 16. Good catch. Thank you. X is 10. Now I want to use vertical angles. 7x, I know what x is, must be equal to 2y. These have to be equal to each other. They're vertical angles. They must be congruent. So 2y, I would set equal to 7x. Well, I know what x is. So that'd be 7 times 10. 2y must be equal to 70 degrees. Divide by 2. Y is equal to 35. Now y is 35, not 35 degrees. Just y is worth 35. The angle is 7. Okay. How long did that take? 4 minutes?